Okay, welcome to this video, and this is Power Affiliate Network, and in this video we're going to be explaining how you can make money from Picoworkers, the sign up process, how you can perform jobs in Picoworkers. So this is the website. Like you see, it's picoworkers.com, and this is let us first explore the website, and it is for business owners. As you can see, you can create a short video, promote your content, and ask people to help you with it. Now you can be a freelancer on Picoworkers. Like, you can work your way, as you can see on the website now. Like, you can take a survey, write an honest review, and test an app, and you get paid. That's so you can be a business owner and can be a freelancer. Then next is about Picoworkers. Now, what is Picoworkers? Picoworkers, like on the website, Picoworkers is an online marketplace that connects freelancers around the world with business owners who need other people to help them support their work. Now here they can hire workers for easy and quick jobs. Now they accept payments in cryptocurrency and PayPal, so you can get paid with cryptocurrency, or you can get paid with PayPal or Uphold. Now this is another place. This is how small gig works. As you can see, you can click to start now. Now here, for freelancers, you can deliver work and get paid on Picoworkers. This is the best thing about Picoworkers. You can get paid working on Picoworkers. Then for business owners, you can ask people to help you, like perform a small task, like subscribe your YouTube channel, watch your video on YouTube, follow you on Instagram, Twitter, or create a Gmail account for you. Now you can create your accounts as well. Now, as an affiliate, you can earn money through Picoworkers affiliate program. Now, how does it work? When you refer a Picoworker and that person does a job, you earn 5% from the job they did. You earn 5% from the job they did. So you can sign up to get your link now, and the link for Picoworkers is in the description. So once you sign up, you can go straight to affiliates and then share your link, and also do some tax there so that you can earn money on Picoworkers. And you can also deposit and ask people to subscribe your YouTube channel on Picoworkers as well. It's very, very simple. So in this video, we are going to explore how Picoworkers work, how you can make money from Picoworkers, and the rest, and how you can post job on Picoworkers. So let's sign up on Picoworkers. So I already have an account, but I'm going to show you how you can sign up on Picoworkers. So this is the sign up page, and most importantly, put your real details here. Put your full name, your email address, create a password and confirm it, and your nickname. Now we have different countries on Picoworkers, and you can come from Nigeria or from Africa or from any part of the world, and you can sign up as I'm a worker or I'm an employer. That doesn't matter, but just click anyone. Then you have to agree the Picoworkers terms of service and send me news, events, and offers. Then you click on sign up. I have an account on Picoworkers, so let me sign in. Signing in. So I have my password saved with Google, so remember me. So login. It's logging in. So let's wait for it. Logging in. Yes. Okay, it's logging in. Yes. Now this is Picoworkers dashboard. This is how it looks like. So once you sign in, this is the place you're going to come. Now this is the place you can find jobs. This is where you can find jobs. So if you want to try to find it, just click on that. This is there are many different jobs on Picoworkers you can engage in. Like, you can promote content and get paid. So like I told you, I'm changing to the document. So you can get workers. You can go to a website and do some jobs and get paid. So like let us explore some of the jobs here. So you have create, sign up, software, and install. You're going to pay. You're going to get 14 cents and many more. Download the book, promote content, SEO. This promote content is just going to a website and maybe read posts, and then you get paid. Do okay. Swag balls, add extension, desktop new users only. So this is for desktop only. So there are a lot of jobs on Picoworkers. There are a lot of them, many jobs you can do. So let's check. Let's go to category. You can find job by category. So you click on category. Maybe you are looking for Twitter micro influencer apply. So as I can see, okay, this one doesn't have. This person made a mistake in paste. Okay, here is okay, we are looking for, let's look for Reddit. Okay, Reddit upvotes. So this is Reddit upvotes. So when you click on it, you're going to read the instructions very carefully. So once you read the instructions, like you're going to get $0.030. So when you read the instruction, time to rate 1 day done, and this job is available to only 3,200 people, and 3,164 people has already done it. And what is expected, so this is where you see what is expected from you. This is the instructions, so you're going to follow these instructions step by step and do exactly what they told you, and you are going to get paid instantly. So now you're going to share the link to your profile and the username of the person that posted it. So let's find more jobs. Let's find more jobs. Okay, let's go to category again and look for more jobs. Category, let's go to Facebook micro influencer. Okay, there's no jobs here. Okay, Gamits promo code. Okay, you can just copy this promo code and just follow the instructions. Voting and rating. Let's check another one. Let's check Yahoo. Okay, there's no jobs here. There's no jobs you found here. Matching your results. So, well, okay. Keep sign up. This is for like when you install the application, you are going to get 14 cents from it. When you sign up with the software and install it on your mobile phone, just follow the instructions. Let it see the instructions. So done 185 available. Okay, so what is expected from the workers? So you go to the website, click on show more and follow the link, and then get Crips installed in your phone and download it and install as well. So when you are done, you screenshot the your profile like this. When you click on that link, you are going to see how you can screenshot it, and then when you upload it, submit, and you get your money. So now, okay. Okay, so now let's find another job. Okay, now this is how can you withdraw from Picoworkers. How can you withdraw from Picoworkers? Now when you go to the withdrawal page, click on request withdrawal. Click on request withdrawal, and you see you're going to be get paid in many ways. You can get paid by ATM, you can get paid using by Litecoin, you can get your payments through PayPal. We have Skrill. If you have a Skrill account, you can click on it and withdraw through your Skrill account. And okay, and we have Uphold. If you have an Uphold account, you can get paid through your Uphold and you receive your money instantly. So this is like, I love it because you can get paid through different ways. Now there's another feature they have that you can request a payment like your choice. Like you can add any withdrawal method. Maybe if you want to get a check, you can add it there, and but that one may takes a long time for them to process. So another part is referring a friend. So currently you have three friends, three referrals under me. So only three. So they have to copy the code and then paste on, send it to your friend, and once they join, any task they do, you are going to earn 5% from it. And also for bloggers or website owner, we have good news for you. So Picoworkers is a full dynamic website where you can just share original content, or just tell people to do jobs, to read your content and get paid immediately. So encrypto badge, this is like if you see some jobs posted on Picoworkers, you are going to see this Bitcoin blue, like that blue Bitcoin badge. You are going to see. So if you want to be verified on Picoworkers, you're going to send them some Bitcoin. That's about it. You're going to send them some Bitcoin, and you get the badge. So here is my profile, date of birth, everything, save profile. So this is how your profile will look like on Picoworkers. Okay, I've not set my about page and about me. So actually you have to upload your profile picture as well. So try and do that. So notification, this is where you can find messages from Picoworkers. A lot of messages are here for me. So once you see a red dots on that toggle, you know there is a new message for you. So let's explore the countries that you can work. You can see this person is from Bulgaria and has earned $5,000. This one is from Dominican Republic, the second person. So this is how much you can make from Picoworkers. Pakistan, Venezuela, so different country. You also have Nigeria here as well. So if you're from Nigeria, you can get money from Picoworkers. Now you can see Morocco, Indonesia, Nigeria. This guy is from Nigeria as well, and he has made 1,260 US dollars by performing small tasks on Picoworkers. So all you have to do is just sign up on Picoworkers and start working on Picoworkers. It's very simple. So let us check for Nigeria only. So you can see that there's a large number of Nigerians that work on Picoworkers. So let's check Nigeria only. So here is Nigeria. This person has earned $1,539. As you can see, we have a lot of Nigerians here that have earned a lot of money from Picoworkers. We have a lot of Nigerians here. So if you are from Nigeria, you don't have to be scared about making money from Picoworkers. All you have to do is just go to Picoworkers, perform some job, and most importantly, refer your friends so that you can maximize your profits. So you can see we have a lot of Nigerians, 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 we have a lot of them, and they are earning this. This is what they have earned on Picoworkers. Performing tax. This is what they have earned. So as you can see. So one thing is you don't as you can see on the tax, you don't have to just do 100 tax and expecting to earn $1,000. You have to do up to thousands of tax so that you can earn up to this amount they are earning. And also you can use referral to boost your profits. That being said, this is the end of this video, and all you have to do is just go to Picoworkers, www.picoworkers.com, and register on Picoworkers and start performing tasks. So don't just sit down there and look, just explore what you watch in this video, and I'm sure that you're going to earn money from Picoworkers, a lot of money from Picoworkers if you're serious, and also refer your friends to Picoworkers. So the link to the website is on the description. So go to the description and copy the link to the website. So once you register, start working and you get paid. So thank you for sticking with us to the end of this video. But before you go, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also like this video so that more people out there can find this video and it's going to help them. And also share to your friends, and also leave a comment on the comment section. Like, thank you very much for this insight. So thank you very much. See you in the next video, and goodbye.